how to adjust settings timeout on Envision monitor. And okay guys, here in your Envision monitor, okay, on the back of this, you can see here the joystick. Okay, you can press to the right to see these settings. Here in settings, go to OSD setup by pressing down the joystick. And go to the right by pressing or push the joystick to the right. And go to timeout. Push the joystick down to select the timeout. And the timeout is set into 90. Okay, to adjust this, okay, you'll have to do is press the joystick to the right. And now you can adjust this by pressing down or up the joystick. So for my example, push the joystick down and the timeout of these settings is adjust into 50. So if you want to adjust into 90 again, okay, push the joystick up to adjust into 90. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully adjust settings timeout on Envision monitor. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.